Hello traders, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Canal. Today we're going to be looking at the volume Hedge A, which is currently available for free on Trading Canal. We also have some couple of other expert advisors here, like we have the Great Genius A as well, and we're going to talk about this in another video. But all of these are in an archive of our free downloads, so this is absolutely free to download. Just head over to tradingcanal.com/free-downloads and you're going to have access to this archive. Now this is only available to previous customers, which means if you have previously purchased any software at all from tradingcanal.com, you can access this. Otherwise, please proceed to purchase any software from Trading Canal and then you can access this archive of free downloads. We are doing this to prevent spam downloads on our platform. All right, so let's look at the volume Hedge EA. Now what we attached here is the backtest performance of the volume Hedge A. As you can see, the expert advisor is quite profitable over time. We did this backtest from 2020 up to 2022. Download this EA. Once you access this page, you can just click on download and it's going to ask you for your email, and you can just input your email, which is the email you used to purchase the software previously from Trading Canal, and then you'd have an email with the download link, of course. And you make sure you click on that link because the download link expires in an hour and you only have a few tries, so make sure you're online at that point to click on the email and download the software. All right, now the volume Hedge EA works for only MT4, so you build the expert advisor on MK4 and it works only on MT4. So the installation process is pretty easy. It comes with an expert advisor and a set file, so all you just need to do is to add that expert advisor to AUD on the 15 minutes time frame and then load the set file, because that was where the backtest and optimization was done. So all of these backtests here that you can see on these images here were done on AUD on the 15 minutes time frame. Now let's look at some key features of the volume Hedge EA. Now the volume Hedge EA works on a volume based trading strategy. So once it detects a spike in the volume on AUD on the 15 minutes time frame, it automatically opens two orders, right? One buy order and one sell order, and whichever direction it goes, it hits the stop loss first, right? And if it hits the stop loss first, it is assuming that it's going to likely continue in that direction to hit the take profits. So on every run we make profit because the stop loss is actually lower than the take profit. But there are some times when it will hit the stop loss and then reverse back the other way, and for that we have systems in place to manage those losses, and we're going to be looking at that when we are looking at the live trading of the expert advisor. So as you can see on my PC, I currently have the volume Hedge expert advisor currently running. We installed this on MT4, like I said, on AUD on the 15 minutes time frame, and we started on a $10,000 account, and now we're up about 147 USD. We've traded for about, I think, we started on the 29th of August down to the current date, which is the 12th of September, and we're up about 147 USD. But we also have a trade here. You can see it's opened a buy trade and a sell trade, and the stop loss of the buy trade was hit. So we currently have the sell trade and the take profit of the sell trade. So you can see the price came down, nearly hit the take profit and reversed back, and once that happened, automatically it removed the stop loss of the sell trade. So it's going to allow this order to float and then possibly come back down to hit the take profit, and if it doesn't, it has a martingale system in place to open orders. Now let me make something clear. On every instance when this happens, right, we no longer have a stop loss, our risk automatically becomes our entire account. I want you to understand that. But the amazing thing about this expert advisor is that it trades using a very low lot size. So on every trade we are risking 0.5% as our stop loss. So if the price actually goes 10 times the wrong way, we are going to be down just about 5%, and if it goes 20 times the wrong way, we're going to be down just 10%. And this is why we are also trading on AUD and not Euro USD or USD JPY, because this pair doesn't trend often. Okay, it often ranges, as you can even see from the chart. So it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and often balances itself out, right? This is why we are trading on AUD. So the risk here is our entire account. but the probability of us actually blowing our accounts with this expert advisor is very low. Okay. Okay, if you're even going to be trading on, let's say, $100,000, you could actually reduce your risk per trade down to 0.25%. Now, I also discovered something with this initial version that we released, and the issue is that sometimes during the trading period, the stop loss isn't removed. So basically, every time a stop loss is hit, the expert advisor is expecting the take profits to be hit next, but there was an issue with the code, a bug with the code, I would say that, and sometimes stop loss is not removed, and then you're going to have a case where you have two losses. Let me see from the account history. As you can see here, we have okay, not this one. As you can see here, we have two losses in a row. So it's supposed to be one profit, one loss, one profit, just like that. One loss, one profit, just like that. One loss, one profit. So as you can see, the risk and the take profit is constant. So every time we are risking $50, we are making $130. So our profits from every run is $80 on a $10,000 account. So if it's on a $1,000 account, it's going to be $8 profits per run. And we have, let's say, 10 runs in a week or 10 runs in 2 weeks, we're going to be making $80 as a sum of all the runs we've had. So that's how this expert advisor works. Now we fixed the bug. We are also going to add more modifications, maybe in a case where if the stop loss is hit, automatically this other stop loss will be moved to break even. I think that will also make sense too. We are going to add all of this in the next update we are going to be releasing. But the current update has this bug, but it's also fine. It's working. As you can see, this is exactly what we are using here, and we are still up about 147 USD. So it's not too bad for an expert advisor. You can also use it, but we are going to be releasing that update along with a new set file, because we have to now backtest and optimize with the fix of what we've released. Okay, so you can proceed to use expert advisor. It's amazing from what we're seeing on the live trading results. This is why we also always back test, and we always test our expert advisors on live trading. And I'm not going to tell you that this expert advisor is going to make you millions or something. No, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the strategy. So what we've developed right now is more like a trader, right, that can execute certain tasks in the market for 24 hours without rest or without anything, right? And that's why forex robots are way better than humans. It's going to keep doing what you ask it to do. Which is why we're giving this out to you for free. Just download it, set it up. If it works for you, amazing. You can leave a review for us on tradingkennel.com. All right, so guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.